Before we continue for our next routine, let me ask you first, ate, what is your name? Anong pangalan mo? Lakas mo. I see. Kaisi, hi. Okay, guess with Kuya Beng. Hi, how old are you? Ilang taong ka na? 2. Okay, o sige. Ito ako mag-marriage. 3. 23. Okay. Alright, mag-mabati kami ni ate. But before we start, I want you to clap your hands for our first volunteer for this afternoon. Palakpakan po muna natin yung ating volunteer for this afternoon. What is your name again, ate? Ano pong name niya? Kaisi. Alright, Kaisi. Let's do some magic, okay? So, stand straight. Tayo ka lang mabuti. Bibigyan kita ng mga magic, okay? Gusto mo ba yun? Oh, yun. Gusto niya rin. Okay, sige. Wait lang ha. Mag-magic tayo, okay?
Ayun lang.